Good morning, students. Today, now is the start a new chapter, inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function, and is the second chapter. First thing is to find the principal value, yeah, otherwise principal value. But now the principal value is totally depend on range. Student, first thing, what are the inverse trigonometric function? What are the difference between inverse trigonometry and trigonometry? Inverse trigonometry and trigonometry. Then trigonometry, there are 6 trigonometric functions: sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x. But now inverse trigonometric function is the same 6 inverse trigonometric, but now right is denoted by sin inverse x, right? Do not then sin is to power minus 1, not equals to is sin x ki whole power is minus 1. This is not equals to 1 upon sin. So, inverse, this is the function. What are the difference between inverse and trigonometric function, right? जो trigonometric function का domain है वो inverse trigonometric functions का range है. और there are 6 inverse trigonometric function. Now NCERT book page number 40 on table, all range and domain are given. Now sin inverse, what are the range of sin inverse x? Close interval minus 90 to plus 90. And what are the range of cos inverse x? Is a close interval 0 to pi, right? Now the range of sin inverse x, then same range of tan inverse x is a minus 90 to plus 90, but close interval ki jagah that is a open interval. A small bracket is denoted by open interval. And now range is a cosec inverse x is the same to same close interval minus 90 to plus 90, but except 0, right? And then range of cot inverse x is the same open interval 0 to pi, and range of sec inverse x is close interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. So, there are 6 inverse trigonometric function is the given is the range. And now the second thing, what are the value of trigonometric functions के अंदर? Then sin minus theta is a minus sin theta. Tan minus theta is a minus tan theta. Cot minus theta is a cot minus cot theta. But cos minus theta is a plus cos theta. Sec minus theta is a plus sec theta. Why? Then angle is negative, then theta lies in fourth quadrant. So, but inverse trigonometric functions में sin inverse minus x, this is minus sin inverse x. Tan inverse minus x, this is minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse minus x, this is minus cosec inverse x. But now what are the cos inverse minus x? Then pi minus cos inverse x, right? Sec inverse minus x, that is pi minus sec inverse x. And cot inverse minus x, this is pi minus cot inverse x. Student, inverse trigonometric function में angle is negative, then now is proved. इसको हम prove कर सकते हैं. For example, कि cos inverse, prove that cos inverse minus x equals to pi minus cos inverse. Why? Right? Then let cos inverse minus x is theta. Then is the value of x minus x equals to cos theta. Inverse transfer, then is a trigonometric functions, and now that is the value of x is a minus cos theta. But now the cos is negative, and cos is negative in second quadrant and third quadrant. Now right is the second quadrant, then cos pi minus theta, and third quadrant is a pi plus theta. Cos pi minus theta, that is the minus cos theta. So now cos is a transfer, then is a cos inverse x equals to pi minus theta. Then cos inverse minus x equals to pi, and theta, that is a suppose cos inverse minus x. So then cos inverse minus x is transfer, then pi minus cos. So this is the proving part. In inverse trigonometric functions में कोई भी formula है वो आप prove करके बता सकते हो. That is the reason is a proving part. Now then use of these formulas. Exercise 2.1, find the value or find the principal value of this inverse trigonometric function. Now look here, student. Inverse trigonometric functions में first question exam में 1 या 2 marks में, then is a one question in exercise Find the value of cos inverse minus root 3 by 2. Yeah, find the principal value of cos inverse minus root. Principal value of values depend on, right? First thing, cos is negative, right? The 3 by that is the only single condition cos inverse into cos. Yeah, otherwise cos into cos inverse x that is equals to x. But condition